welcome to In Samachar. I am Anshi Srivastav and today we will talk about, with less than a week to go for the Bihar elections, the centre on Friday reintroduced the stock limit on onions, a move aimed at controlling rising prices which crossed rupees 80 per kg in many cities on Friday, including nearly 100 rupees per kg in Mumbai. So, in our two-part story, let's dig into this deeper. Barely a month ago, Parliament had amended the Essential Commodities Act 1955 to exclude onions, beside potatoes, edible oils, oilseeds and pulses from the list of the essential commodities, thus freeing them from stock limit. Since then, possibly with the Bihar elections in mind, the government has acted twice towards controlling onion prices. It relaxed import norms on Wednesday, followed by Friday's reintroduction of the stock limit. Now, let's take a look at the dynamics of onion prices and the impact of the government's intervention. Why have onion prices been rising? They have been rising since the last week of August as imports started coming in of massive losses of Kharif onions caused by heavy rainfalls in North Karnataka. This crop was meant to arrive after September and was expected to feed the markets until the arrival of Kharif crops from Maharashtra towards the end of October. There are three main onion crops: Kharif, June-July sowing, post-October harvest; late Kharif, September sowing, post-December harvest; and Rabi, December-January sowing, post-March harvest. The Rabi crop has the least amount of moisture content, making it amenable to storage. The farmers, especially in Maharashtra, store it in on-field structures called kanda chawals to protect it from moisture and light. This crop feeds the market until the next one arrives. The heavy rain in September not only destroyed the new crop in Karnataka but also took a toll on stored onions in states like Madhya Pradesh and Gujarat. Farmers in Maharashtra alone had marketable onions having stored around 28 lakh tons at the start of summer. But even Maharashtra farmers in fact have suffered more than their usual storage losses, which is 50 to 60% as against 30 to 40% normally. Rain in the onion belt, Ahmednagar, Nashik and Pune has caused water seepage into the structure. Also, agriculture officers say the shelf life of the onion is lower this year due to overuse of urea by farmers. Last year, onion prices were good and farmers were extra indulgent with urea to increase yield. Unfortunately, this reduces the shelf life of onions. The national acreage for Rabi onions last season was 10 lakh hectares against 7 lakh hectares of 2018 and 19. But the additional wastage has constrained supply. Of the 28 lakh tons stored in Maharashtra, around 10-11 lakh tons remain now. The yearly consumption of onions in India is slated to be 160 lakh tons, with Maharashtra alone consuming around 4,000 to 6,000 tons per day. That is all that we have for you today. Stay tuned for part 2 of onion price rise in India, and for more such news updates, log on to www.insamachar.com. This is Anshi Srivastav signing off. Namaskar.